Hi everybody, this is Sonia with Paper Pizzazz. I'm formerly known as Crafty Girl. Here is an easy way to make some fake washi tape, faux washi tape in case you don't have any. I am using some Scotch tape today. I've also used some masking tape the other day with some other batch that I did. My idea comes from Shanna of Chinooki Arts. She was doing this, but she was using some alcohol-based inks. Now I don't have those, so today I'm just using some acrylic paints. I'm using antique gold, Laguna, and light lavender. I'm using a thicker piece of plastic today because the other day I had some cheapo, kind of flimsy sleeving, and then when I tried to pull some tape off, it kind of tore everything. So we'll see how this works. I'm using Scotch tape right now today. Let's see how that works on the thicker piece of plastic. The masking tape seems to be a little more sturdy when I've painted on that. Although the Scotch tape tends to be a little more transparent when you've painted it, so it looks kind of neat. But both are really nice. I'm just going to do 3 colors. I'm going to do the light lavender right now. This is nice to make a batch of this because when you need it, then you have a piece of tape you can add to for embellishments. This is kind of an experiment for me. I've never tried this before, but I think it turned out really good. I'm going to lay that to dry and get out the one that I used the masking tape. It's all dry. I'm going to cut a piece off because I was making a pocket from an envelope, a repurposed envelope. So I'm just going to put a piece of the gold on there. I think it looks really nice. So thank you for watching. Maybe you got some ideas from this that you can use. And thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.